Grab your inhaler in case you have a laugh attack, because we're checking out some funny fails. The only time I ever had to use an inhaler in my life, you know what? That is something to be thankful for. Was when I had bronchitis when I was younger, and I had to have an inhaler for that. I always thought inhalers were so cool in elementary school. I was like, I want to have asthma. I want to have to like take my inhaler. That is not cool. It's not cool at all. Having asthma sucks. Anyways, it's so funny. The way I used to think was concerning. Oh, a deer. Oh! 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 Dog was just trying to protect you. But also, I've always wondered that when I see like dogs tied up and it's like attached to like a chair like that, like a camping chair, that is so light. Because even if you're sitting in it, my first thought was, a big dog like that, if it runs, it's taking me with him. That's just kind of common sense, no?
What if it snaps? It'll be alright. You're only like...
That string looks like it came from a bracelet making kit.
Ready?
Oh god, no. Oh. Oh my god. She can't get off. Oh my gosh. Help her. Help her! Grab her jacket or something.
I can't help you, I'm sorry.
Her arms are gonna have to give out.
Please, just help me.
Oh my gosh. Oh, help her, good. She stopped.
I'm all wet.
The person who needs an inhaler is literally the friend recording. Her laugh, like, for her reason to not help her friend is literally, I can't breathe, I'm sorry, I can't help you. I think she needs the inhaler. But those are the best kinds of friends. When they're laughing so hard that it's like, I literally can't help you because I'm going to pee my pants because I'm laughing at your fail. Those are the best moments, really. As long as they're not gonna get hurt, you know? Oh. Oh, Spidey. Oh god. Oh god. Oh wow. What's that? Eventful or what? Did you find this Spider-Man at wish.com? Like what the heck? That was brutal. If that was like his entrance to impress the kids, oh man. Oh man, not to mention even the little confetti thing. Hardly anything came out of that. Like, you know, if we're hiring someone, we can't get a bigger confetti blaster. Maybe that's not. Maybe that's a family member trying to like dress up as Spider-Man. You know, like maybe they didn't hire him. That could just be a nice family member trying to be Spider-Man for the children. You know, I could be totally guessing the situation. So, A for effort. You know, they tried. But if you did pay, I would question a refund. I'm just kidding. Oh man, these things are always a sketchy time. Oh. No, 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 don't be a hero. Oh! My back. I could feel that in my back. Yeah, there's always that one person that tries to do this where you like starfish. Because some people have been successful in it, but most people have not. Yeah, most people have not. Oh my god. They're like little fairies. Oh no. Well, that was underwhelming. I was just picturing them really killing it with their woodland fairy vibes. They were gonna do a really cool Irish gig. No, like not in the slightest. And it's funny that she took her shoes off thinking that, oh, I'll slip, I gotta take my shoes off. Maybe it was better if you kept them on. Oh. Oh, well hopefully that's not fragile. Oh my god, there's so much to unpack here. That's a deliverer. right? That is not the homeowner. That looks like he came from that truck on the road to deliver this. Threw it down like it was nothing, but luckily there's foam in it. Ooh, which could also mean that it was fragile. Jumps on the children's trampoline. Yeah, well, not sure what you were expecting to happen, although I would be very tempted to jump on that trampoline myself. I love trampolines, big and small. I think they're such a fun time. I kill it on the trampoline still. I used to do gymnastics, so I can still do front handsprings, round offs, and front flips on there. 30 who? I don't know if my back would like that at this age. It's been, no, I did it last summer. Last summer at my friend's cottage. We'll see what happens at 31. What? You can't see each other? Well, that's just asking for problems. You have no idea if they're up by the time you're throwing it. Anything can go wrong. Oh, yeah. Just like that. She wasn't even close. She hadn't even gotten up yet. That would hurt too, man. Those balls are heavy. That's a no for me. Sometimes in the gym, less is more. You know? Is this a human slingshot? This is so fun. Oh, I want to play. I want to turn. Oh, he's gonna go flying on ice too. Oh my god. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, that was humiliating. That was so underwhelming. Okay, maybe I don't want to play. I thought this guy was gonna go whew, like soaring. Well. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Huh? Oh. Oh god. Oh. Did he help or make things worse? I think worse, unless she had a broken ankle and physically couldn't walk, you know, like just help her up, you know, maybe let her try again. Even walking next to her for like balance or holding her hand would have been better, because now this is just awkward for everyone. She's like trying to look good up there and she's like half her dress is falling. Like, I don't know, I feel like the designer might have just preferred for you guys to just keep walking, like for her to get up and try again. I don't know, he tried to help though, bless him. Oh. Oh no, she got locked out.
You can't run forever.
Like the fact that you're setting up your phone and doing this prank. Why do you get locked out of your room? Who actually walks all the way out there? Oh no, he's gonna crawl upside down. That would freak me the hell out. Here's the fuzz. Ugh! Okay. Sir, that last one was not real. I'm ending it after that. I'm not watching 2 minutes of this guy do the same thing over and over again. Sorry, I have no patience. Let's be realistic. If someone's knocking on my hotel room door, I'm looking through the peephole. If I don't see anything, I'm not answering. I'm not answering. That's a freaking trap. No thanks, I don't trust anybody. There's a fuzz. Let's say I saw something at the corner of my eye. I was like, oh, okay, curious enough to at least know what's out there. I would open my door and I would peek out. Who actually walks out and shuts the door behind them? Like, what? No one actually answers the door like that. Right? That's crazy. Ooh, parallel parking always sucks, man. I hate parallel parking. Oh. Not bad. Oh. Okay. You're actually killing it. So where's the... Okay, stop. What's happening? Why are... Just leave it. How are you messing this up right now? Just... Oh my god, you could have put the car in park so many times by now. You're still going. Stop! Oh my God. That is so painful to watch. I hate parallel parking when people are around because I feel the pressure. I don't know why I put this like such ridiculous pressure on myself because I'm so embarrassed. Because sometimes I'll nail it and other times I get in my head and I'm like, oh my God, I'm doing like a 9-point turn. Like it's horrible, you know, because I'm just like, I break under the pressure. But they actually did a great job. Like just stop. Just put it in park. No, I have a sneeze. No. If you have not been in the last videos, I'm not allowing myself to sneeze right now because I'm very sick, and when I sneeze, it just releases everything. Okay, so I'm not crazy. Well, I am, but.
Okay, y'all, so I was trying to do the little bomb thing or whatever. First I couldn't even open it, then boom, hit me right in the eyes. Couldn't even see.
Oh, just drop it.
Then boom, it done hit me again.
Oh my God, it's right in your face. Yeah. No, new plan. Like that is so cool, and I love the color of it and how it matches your grad gown as well. Like super cool, but maybe just put it down on the ground in front of you because then it'll blow up and not directly in your face. Yeah, those aren't cheap either. I remember looking them up one time and I was like, ah, like surely I can DIY this somehow and look up a way to make this. Gender reveal expectations versus reality. Oh. Oh! You just showed her what color it is! Oh my God. It's pink. Oh, she already knew. Yeah. Okay, great. Really epic. Yeah, well, that didn't look the same as the first video, that's for sure. Not quite. I'm happy she already knew. Because like they totally gave it away when they took the casing off and it was pink. It was like, oh, okay, big shock. But thankfully I read it. She's like, I already knew. She just wanted to do the whole reveal for everybody else who was watching and to get a really fun moment. Oh! Oh. Oh, well, that's just embarrassing. I don't even understand that. Like, it's funny because I used to run track and field. That was my sport through elementary school, high school, first year university. I was a sprinter. But watching it and seeing how close everyone is together and running, and I'm like, how are you not tripping on each other? But then when you're in it, it doesn't, like it does feel that way, but also it doesn't at the same time. It's really hard to explain. But anyways, that's more for, it was like that with cross country when I used to run long distance, because it would just be so many people. Like usually when you're in a 100-meter dash, you're all in your lane. You have to stay in your lane. So it's a little different in that sense. But for 400 meter or 800 meters, it's a little different. Anyways, it's just like a herd of people. And then having to have them go over a hurdle in that herd of people. How's no one tripping? Well, the one guy. He didn't even make it over. I'm out of here, you guys. Stay classy out there. Stay sassy. And I hope y'all are feeling great. And I hope that I start feeling great too. You know? My nose is burning.